Officer Lane, can you state your name for the record and spell your first and last name?
Officer Chris, C-H-R-I-S, Lane, L-A-N-E, badge number 1661.
Officer Lane, by whom are you employed?
City of Cleveland, Department of Public Safety,
And how long have you been a police officer?
22 years.
Officer Lane, I want to direct your attention to a case, the case that brings you to court today, Alianna DeFreeze. How did you first become involved regarding the missing person request of Alianna DeFreeze?
I received a radio broadcast to respond to 3427 East 149, connection with a missing person. Upon my arrival, I spoke with the complainant, Ms. Cooper, who advised me that she had called Alianna's school to cancel or reschedule a parent-teacher conference that was supposed to happen that day. She was advised by the school that Alianna never made it to school that day, so then she called CPD.
Do you recall approximately the time and the date that you received this call?
It was January 26, 2017, around 4:15 in the afternoon.
After speaking with Ms. Cooper, what next steps did you take regarding the missing person report for Alianna DeFreeze?
I had Ms. Cooper walk me through her day when she last saw her, what the routine was of her day. She advised me that she walks to the bus stop, RTA bus stop at East 149th and Kinsman every morning at 6:30 in the morning. She boards the number 14 bus, which heads west down Kinsman to East 93rd. From there, she gets on another RTA bus, number 10, and heads south on East 93rd to her school at East 93rd and East Prep.
And did you learn anything else about Alianna in this conversation with Ms. Cooper?
As far as she advised me that she had some type of,
Objection.
she advised me that she had some type of learning, like a mild learning disability. And then ascertained physical description of Alianna, what she was wearing, and I had Ms. Cooper complete necessary paperwork so I can enter Alianna into the missing person database. I then left her apartment and I drove the route she would have taken on the RTA bus down Kinsman Avenue to East 93rd, all the while looking forward. So I was en route to the school to confer with the principal, or any staff members, or possible friends that knew her.
Do you recall approximately how long you were at Ms. Cooper's residence having this conversation with her?
Approximately 10 to 15 minutes.
And you mentioned earlier in your testimony that you entered Alianna's information into a missing person database.
Correct.
Can you tell us about that?
We have an NCIC form, which is a national form that we fill out. It's entered into a database. So if someone comes along, a missing person, and they run their name and date of birth, then it pops up that they are a missing person, and that way they're known that they can be returned to their home or police station.
When you arrived at the school at EPREP, what did you do once getting there?
I spoke with the principal, Ms. Squires. I tried to ascertain, what type of student Alianna was, had she attended school today, who her friends were, basically her daily routine, who she's known to associate with. Ms. Squires advised me that Alianna never made it to school, but a recorded message was sent to Ms. Cooper's residence. But that message was never delivered because there was a malfunction with the system that day. So the only way Ms. Cooper knew that Alianna never showed up for school was when she called to cancel a scheduled parent-teacher meeting.
And you mentioned that you tried to get some background information regarding Alianna from the Squires. Why is that important to you?
Just to know who her associates are. She runs what type of people she runs with and hangs with. A bad influence on her, a good influence on her. Ms. Squires advised me that Alianna was very, lack of a better term, very gullible, wanted to fit in, wanted to be liked.
Any other pertinent information that aids you in this initial steps in the investigation that you learned from your conversation with Principal Squires?
I got a cell phone number from Ms. Squires for Alianna. It was her cell phone, Alianna's cell phone. At that time, I notified our radio dispatch to see if they can ping the cell phone to maybe triangulate a location to where she possibly could have been. But then I was advised shortly thereafter that the phone had been off for at least 48 hours.
And how long were you at ePrep speaking with Ms. Squires?
Approximately half an hour.
After you're done conversing with Ms. Squires, what next steps do you take in your investigation?
Well, prior to heading back to the police district, to the 4th district, I toured the area once more, up and down Union, Kinsman, and then I returned to the 4th district to complete necessary form or reports. I make contact with the medical examiner's office, and I contacted our hospitalist, and I also contacted the juvenile detention center.
And why are you doing those items?
Just to make sure, the medical examiner, for obvious reasons, making sure that there's no body, no death, or hospitalist, she might have gotten hurt on the way to school, and if she's in the hospital, and they put it on the list, and they'll tell me yay or nay if she's on the list. And the DH, she might have possibly gotten arrested during the day and at the juvenile detention center. But when I called all three, and they negative results.
And is it part of your duties to respond to missing person reports? Or is that a special assignment for you? Tell us about that.
On that day, yes. I often do the missing person assignment. It's a detail throughout the shift. I handle all missing persons from juveniles up to elderly, endangered, non-endangered.
Once you responded back to the 4th District Police Station, what other initial steps did you take in the investigation regarding Alianna DeFreeze before you handed it off to Detective Callahan?
At that time, other officers in that district were assigned to tour the area and see if we can find Alianna. After making my initial report, I went back out and toured for several areas where I think, vacant lots, abandoned property around the area, like Kinsman Bridge and, vacant fields and stuff like that. Other officers were in contact with RTA PD to try and see if they can get video of the bus that she was taking. There was a McDonald's at 93rd and Kinsman that we tried to get video from to see if we could see her getting off the bus or, taking her out to school.
Are you aware if that was accomplished, the retrieval of videos from McDonald's and or RTA prior to ending your shift on January 26th of 2017?
RTA, they found video. I'm not sure how their procedure works and how fast they can pull up video, but we were advised that they did have some type of video later on the shift. McDonald's, they were less cooperative because the shift manager had no access to the video. Only the day shift manager has access to the security and the video. So McDonald's was, at the time, was unavailable.
Any other steps you took prior to your shift ending on January 26, 2017?
During the course of the shift, received information of another cell phone that possibly belonged to Alianna's grandmother. Called that number several times, spoke to a female, I think her name was Nora, and she said she did not know Alianna and that several other people had called her looking for her. While that was being done, we were actually pinging that cell phone number, and then it pinged to the area East 154th and Lakeshore area.
Did you later learn that that number wasn't associated with Alianna?
I did. It was number that was reassigned to this Nora female that we spoke to.
As your shift ends on in the early morning hours, 1 a.m. on January 27th, when your shift started January 26th, 2017, where is the investigation regarding the disappearance of Alianna DeFreeze at that junction when your shift ends?
Prior to my shift, my tour duty, I handed off all information that I had to the night shift missing person officer, where she conducted her follow-ups, advised her supervisor of the situation, and she just basically took over what I was doing, touring for her, looking for her, searching for her.
One moment, Your Honor. And just so it's clear, Officer Lane, can you tell us where the actual 4th District is, the police station?
East 93rd and Kinsman.
Is there anything across the street from it?
There's a gas station, and on the other side of that is the McDonald's. We tried to get the video from them.
And are you aware of where Alianna's body was eventually recovered from?
It is on Fuller Avenue. I was off the next few days, so any information I ascertained from the incident was through the media.
Approximately how far is Fuller Avenue from the 4th District Police Station?
Approximately 3 to 4 blocks.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Cross-examination.
Your Honor, we have no questions for Officer Lane.
Thank you very much, Officer Wright.